Hey everybody, I want to walk you through two separate processes. A, how you're going to turn work in as we go through the process of like building these things, designing our micro homes. And B, I also want to show you how to like log into SketchUp after you've set up your first account. So like if you Google like Google SketchUp and you select this, if you just click on like try SketchUp, it's going to ask you to answer all those questions again. But if you've already set up SketchUp, if you drop down the person in the top left and you go to My Apps, notice also when I look at my person, it says brian.ashline at nccsk12.org, so I know I'm in my account. If you scroll down to SketchUp for Web and launch that, this is the SketchUp program that you're going to be working with. So inside of here, it's so weird, I keep saving this and it doesn't save. I have my tiny home, okay? And at this point, this is kind of like in the future here. I'm further along than you are here, but I want to show you guys, like imagine at the end of your basic setup or really at the end of any week's assignment, this is how you're going to turn something into me. So I'm going to go to my views and I'm going to select an isometric view. And I'm just going to come down a little ways on this. Okay, and again, if yours was just a basic outline, that would be fine. I've broken this lesson up into like 3 or 4 weeks. So you're going to be doing like one section of this at a time. At the end of each week, when you're done with your work, you're going to go through this process. So we're going to look at an isometric view. You have this folder up here. We're going to drop this folder down and we're going to go to export and we're going to export a PNG file. So PNG is a image file, all right? And this is the basic of the image. I've noticed that about 1200 pixels is a pretty nice size for mine, particularly. Maybe yours will be a little bit different, but I'm focused in on it. Looks pretty decent. I also want to select transparent background just to get rid of the background. And this is really what I'm looking for. And again, yours is going to look different than this. Yours is going to look like, hold on. Yeah, so at the end of the first week, you should be seeing something, similar to this video here. Obviously it's going to look like your building shape, but it should just basically be your roof with your overhangs and the general size and box of your piece here. So when we go to take this picture, right, we're in SketchUp. We have this again. Yours is going to look more basic. It's going to say export as a PNG on the bottom right, and it's going to create this file. Okay, so this file, if I say show in folder, which in my case is in my downloads folder, tiny house v3. I'm just going to name this my first name, my last initial, and I'm going to name this like basic shape. Although realistically, I'm done with the whole thing. But each week you can just kind of name it either basic shape or whatever the lesson is, and that would be fine. We're going to take this file and we're going to open up Gmail. And we're going to email it to me. So we're going to hit compose. Okay, so you're going to be in your NCCS account. You're going to send this to me. Then for your subject here, you're going to name it your micro house basic shape. And again, that might change week from week. And when we go to attach a file, I'm going to look again in my downloads. For you Mac people or Chromebook people, find your download folder and then select your file, which again is your first name and your last initial. And then you're going to send this off to me. And then as it comes to me, I'll be able to check what your house looks like. And from here, I'll be able to put that into the gradebook and mark that you have completed whatever section it is that you're trying to turn in. All right. If you have any questions, email me. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.